Jano people want a moment of silence for Gully Bop, but I go check out something before that in videos before.
Believe me, the people, another year and come, me a 60-year-old. Today me a 60. Yeah. And a 30, me a 30-year-old still, you know. Because 60, the new year old for 60 is 30. I'm active. I'm trying to be active. I'm gonna watch age. Because when you keep a birthday, you will get old quick. Because you can see me at 60, boy, I'm soon dead, me at 70. Age is just a number, people. And a man, young as old. I take on the church thing. I'm in at the church and I feel good. I love the vibes. You see me, perform for them, sing some freestyle song for them and everything there. And I love what them I say. Brother Robert and everything there, you know. Pray for me and all those things, and you see me. But again, Gully Bop is a man where he's a very smart man. You understand, people? Very smart. Because God in me, you know, I don't know if God in them. Not because them as a church. I don't know what you can't know what inside a man. So fans, pray for Gully Bop. God, the road rough, man. I tell you, rough people. Trust me. Especially when your friend they run and turn them back.
A day before Gully Bop was found dead.
He's a Jamaican journalist, you know. I search the boy and my son. I see anytime.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Jano Gully Bop, I just get the news time. I can't believe Gully Bop. I have to do a video if I 3 days late, 5 days late. Gully Bop. Jano, my condolences to the family, RIP. Yo, it kind of mess up the big man thing. I never expect that from Gully Bop, even though, you know, you can't see sickness or none of them thing there. You get what I say? But I think like Gully Bop go hospital and Gully Bop get sort out from them time when them teeth fix, and you see me? I never know say Gully Bop did come back down a certain way if people go pass people. Right now, I just hope say I just a publicity stunt, but I see the Observer put it out, I see Cleaner put it out, I go up on YouTube, I see everybody around with it, so I say alright, and something really go on. You get what I say? But I realize say like a hospital, it happened in the hospital bed. You get what I say? I don't know if him did that ill, you know. But it's rough, people. So them video there when I get to me that last 2 video, you get me, I say them one of my videos, so I have to kind of crap out to me and crap out. So sorry about that. You get me, I say people, but Jano, it kind of, it's sad, Gully Bop. Jano Gully, never expect that. Church of my G, it's rough. People comment and tell me the thing. For all who new, please drop a like, drop a subscribe. You can drop a comment if you do want to make a long comment. You can always drop a flag. Someone know which country you have. You from all for Jamaica, nothing wrong with that. Jano Gully, every girl want to touch off away. You gone left foot to right to the edge. Jano people, big man thing, it just shocking to me. I TikTok, me up on a scroll and I say, yo, I see something and them I say like Gully Bop drop out and I say one thing with TikTok, you know, them love them foolish this. You see me, Gully Bop, I got this them people, you know, you see me? So I click the search bar and you know the search bar I say Gully Bop died or Gully Bop dead, and I click on it, you know, I see something I say Observer. So I say Observer, I say no man, this no look, you see me, like a joke thing this sound, you see me, like a real thing. So I go up on Facebook and I go through and I see Observer put it up and I explain what going on, and I say Jano father, Jano dog, you see me, and what you know what really run through my brain before that. You see me, the day I watch TikTok one night and I say Nagadan and I say Natty and I say Jano. One of the people them really know say Naga really big man still. You see me, I say people, Naga is a man where know him for the not a Naga, yeah, him for the hospital right now. I see my walk and hop on them thing there. The man a big man charge, the man I get them check up on them thing there, you see me? Yeah, man they pass 40 or reach 40, you know what I talk about certain way. I forget them check the car, you will just kick out at any time. You see what I say? So we just did there and laugh and feel like everything all, but we don't know what going on inside of them. Them know, but them probably they even want to share it because you don't know sickness are things where people are hide from people, because people are going to laugh off of you and try to taunt you certain way. You see what I say? But yeah, people, not going them man, they have to check up on them man. All of the hell of them we see we are up on social media and them thing there. You see me, even the man where I say about eat the buff or don't eat the buff. You see what I say? Them man, they are big man where if you get them check up charge, blood pressure, prostate, every little thing, heart, you see what I say? Because them not young like in a 20s, 30s, 40s, you see what I say? Up in a 50s, I go 60. Is where I say to people they have to check in upon them at all time and make them check in people. But other than that, I see 1 and 2 video with the earthquake. Because see what I go on with and we talk about it.